Hey there, fellow creators and data enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to create a survey in Airtable 2025. Airtable has evolved a lot, and with the 2025 updates, it's more powerful than ever for building custom surveys. Whether you're gathering feedback for your business, running a quick poll, or collecting research data, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, sign into your Airtable account or create one if you're new. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, create a new base by clicking the Create a Base button. Name it something relevant, like My Survey Project. Now, for the fun part, building your survey table. Click on Plus Table and add fields for your questions. For example, use a single-line text field for short answers, multiple select for options, or even a rating scale if you're measuring satisfaction. Next, customize your fields to match your survey needs. Airtable's 2025 interface lets you add descriptions, make fields required, and even set up conditional logic, super cool for advanced surveys. Once your table is set up, go to the Forms tab to generate a shareable link. This is where the magic happens. Airtable turns your table into a user-friendly form that respondents can fill out from anywhere. Don't forget to preview your form to catch any errors. Hit Share to get a link or embed it on your website. After people start responding, head back to your base to view real-time data. You can filter, sort, and even visualize responses with Airtable's built-in charts, perfect for quick analysis. And there you have it. Creating a survey in Airtable is simple, efficient, and scalable. Give it a try today and level up your data collection game. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.